Imagine spending 4 years getting a degree, taking student loans, working hard to land your dream job, only to discover that AI can do your work in couple of seconds. Sounds extreme? Well, here is the something even more shocking. 99% of the business leaders now believe that AI will reduce jobs within next 2 years. Not 60%, not 80%, 99%. And according to the survey, the people most at risk are not CEOs, they are fresh graduates, junior employees, and people between 22 and 27 years old. Think about that for a second. The exact age when people are trying to start their careers could become the hardest time to find a job. And if you think this is a problem for future, think again. This is already happening. Companies are quietly hiring fewer entry level because AI can now handle many of the tasks that beginner used to do. It can be anything. It can be research, data entry, reports, customer support, even coding. So the real question is not will AI take jobs? The real question is, will your job be one of them? Stay with me because by the end of this video, I will show you the job AI is targeting first, why young professionals are at the biggest risk, and the one skill that could make you almost impossible to replace. Remember when people said AI was just a chatbot, that aged badly. Today, AI writes email, create presentations, build website, analyze data, write codes, answer customer questions, and keeps getting smarter every day. Forget about weeks and months. So companies are no longer asking that should we use AI. They are asking that how many employees do we still need after using an AI? And that changes everything. Now, here is where things get scary. The job most at risk are not necessarily the highest paying job. They are the beginner jobs. Why? Because entry-level work is often repetitive. It can be research, data entry, basic reporting, some scheduling, documentation. The exact task AI is becoming incredibly good at. Think about it. If one employee with AI can do the work of 5 people, why would a company hire 5 people? And that is a question many businesses are asking right now. And that is why entry-level positions are becoming vulnerable. But before you panic, there is something most headlines are not telling you. AI is not just eliminating jobs, it is transforming them. So calculator did not eliminate accountant. Excel did not eliminate finance professionals. The people who learned the new tools become more valuable. And the same thing is happening with the AI. The winner will not be people fighting AI. The winner will be the people using AI. And now let's talk about the job facing the biggest disruption. The data entry, the basic customer support, the simple content writing, the routine administrative work, basic coding task, and repetitive research job. You could have noticed the pattern. The more predictable the work, the easier it is to automate. But there is a good news. AI is also creating new opportunities. Companies are hiring AI specialists, automation experts, cybersecurity professionals, AI consultants, and people who know how to combine human skill with AI tools. In fact, the most valuable person in the future may not be an AI expert. It may be a marketer who knows AI, a lawyer who knows AI, a teacher who knows AI, a doctor who knows AI. The combination is where the real power is. So if I had to bet on one skill for the next decade, it would not be a coding, it would not be a writing, it would not even a AI, it would be adaptability. Because technology change, tools change, industry change, but people who learn fast and adapt fast stay valuable. And that is the real secret. So will AI take jobs? Yes, it already is. But the biggest question is, will AI take your job? That depends on what you do next. Friends, if you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI career updates, and tell me in the comments, do you think AI will create more jobs than it destroys? See you in our next video.